Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect AWS CloudFront to a React SPA detailed guide step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your AWS Management Console. Navigate to the CloudFront service. Click on the Create Distribution button. Select the web option for the distribution. In the origin settings, enter your S3 bucket or your web server's domain in the origin domain name field. Set the origin path if you want to restrict access to a specific folder in your bucket. Choose the appropriate viewer protocol policy, such as redirect HTTP to HTTPS for security. Under default cache behavior settings, specify allowed HTTP methods. Set cache based on selected request headers as needed, depending on your application requirements. In the distribution settings, add a unique name to the alternate domain names if you are using a custom domain. Select the appropriate SSL certificate under SSL Certificate section. Keep the default settings for other options, unless customization is desired. Once you have configured all settings, click on the Create Distribution button. Wait for the distribution status to change from in progress to deployed. After deployment, take note of the CloudFront domain name provided. Now, go to your React Apps configuration files. Update the API endpoints, if necessary, to point to the CloudFront domain instead of the local server. If using a custom domain, you may need to update your DNS settings to point to CloudFront. Test your application by accessing it through the CloudFront URL. Check for any errors in the console or on the Network tab of your browser's developer tools. Optimize cache settings in CloudFront based on user interaction patterns. Review the security settings and adjust them as necessary for your application's needs. Lastly, ensure that you monitor the distribution for performance and make adjustments when needed. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.